What is going on, 44 gang? Hemi White 44 back with another video for you guys. So as y'all can see, I'm somewhere different. Let me make sure I'm not really getting nobody cars, really, at least people cars y'all don't really recognize. So guys, I am at Jay's shop. I'm scared. Is he in the room?
Yeah.
Okay, look, I'm scared. So gang, I am here at Jay's new shop. I'm gonna give you guys a quick tour. Then I'm gonna discuss some things that Jay and I talked about, some stuff that's coming up for my car. So let's go ahead and get this video going. Go ahead and smash that like button. Thumbs up this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. We're about to get it going.
Keys on the track. Keys on the track. Keys on the track.
All right, gang, here at Jay's shop. Just wanted to show y'all Storm. I did come up here to discuss some things with Jay. Let's go ahead and take this beautiful car in because it is lovely. I love this car, so dope. Shout out to A to Z Wrap for getting me right. We have been getting some rain here in Texas, so y'all gonna see some dirt. Honestly, I just washed my car about 2 days ago, and then it drizzled, and now here we go again. But it's a storm, y'all. This car is banging. Okay, all right, so now that I've shown y'all the car, let's go ahead and get it started. So this banner here, we may have to do something with this banner because the police stopped me and said it's a no-no. Okay, this banner is not supposed to come below. It's a line right here, but it's on the opposite side, and it's not supposed to come below this line. Just imagine it being a line here. That's an issue I'm gonna have to work out and get fixed. Right now, let's go ahead and go to the wrap, which is one of the main reasons I came up here. I love it. I love the black top and the black trunk. With these being the colors that I went with, this looks more custom because you typically don't see a car with the black top, the black rooftop and the black trunk. And then y'all know, of course, we got the smoke gray, right? But what I want to do is I'm thinking I'm gonna take this off, right? We're gonna take the black off. Maybe stretch tongue tied. Maybe we can stretch the designs on the hood, stretch it out some. And even though some people look at this as just a partial wrap because it looks so similar to my regular car color, you know, the norm, but this is still a full wrap. If you're new to my channel, this is a full wrap. My car is actually a silver up under this, and I need to get this repainted as well. So I was just discussing with Jay some things I want to do, and we're just gonna try it. But worst case scenario, if it doesn't look right, we can put the black back on. But of course, Jay is the type of person that's like, hey, do whatever you want to do, whatever makes you happy. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and discuss it some more. I may want to add a few more designs and maybe just switch it up a little bit more and make it more interesting. But while we go discuss that, let's go ahead and look at his new shop. Oh, wait a minute. Yes, sir. Had to get the kicks on the video. You did? Okay. Wow. Look, when you first walk in, you see all these pretty colors. Like, oh my God, this is so dope. So I think this is a couple of offices that he have. And look at his floor. I believe he did this floor. Y'all know I love this couch. This is like a red to me, a burgundy. I think it's like a burgundy, yeah. The blue, man, blessings on blessings. This man has been faithful, doing people wraps, behind the scenes, getting his coins together, as you can tell. And now look at him. This is his office. Oh, that's cool. Yes, sir. Oh my God. What you doing in here? What are you doing in here?
Dropping buckets.
Dropping buckets? Get that out of here. Shoot it again. Wait a minute. I was real slow. Get that out of here. Get that out of here. I'm just playing. Really? How we both breathe. So unique. I love this. Okay. And he's not done yet, you know, but this is so dope. He got his own space. Dang, seemed like I'm zoomed in for some reason.
It's the conference room right here. This where we,
Oh, this
yeah, this where you sit down
and talk
about,
business.
okay, you want this done, you want that done. We're gonna hit you across the head for this right here.
Yes, sir. Hold on. Hit me white. Ah, wait a minute. Get that back. I'm trying to one hand them. I'm trying to one hand them. Huh?
You see me out knit that?
It's on camera.
Huh?
Nope. Absolutely no. If you break that, you have to pay for that. Hold on, y'all. I'm gonna one hand them. One hand them. I'm gonna give me a camera person. One hand them. Okay.
Why would you shoot with your left hand?
Man, cause I can do whatever, cause I'm just top notch like that. Okay. Don't judge me. One hand them. Ah, you a hater. All right, let's do the right hand. It's the money hand right here. Yes, sir. I don't love me. You know what? Was that it? Here. I tried to kick it up. Left hand. You know what? In real life, I do got a little something when it comes to food. I was looking at the screen and not the goal. You know what? Forget it. All right, let's continue on the tour, guys. All right, I guess it's like the little receptionist area right here. You go to check out, go make your payments, right? We're gonna be quiet. The dog is actually over there. I don't even want to get him riled up. Oh, sorry. The dog, I stepped on his kicks. I'm so sorry. The dog is back over there. He back there. He can really run through there. No, I saw them little legs walking through there.
Come on.
I'm scared. You go first.
He ain't in there. That don't lead to that.
It's an open way that leads to that.
In there.
Okay, you go first. You go first.
Yeah, he gonna come.
You go first. You go first.
Oh my God. Look, that don't lead to that. I just said that.
Oh, okay.
I've been here.
All right, they got that little snack area. Look, you got the little employee snack area, the little break room.
Okay.
Not a little break room. It's actually a really nice break room. Let me be clear. I love that fridge. Dang, and look at this big old bay. It is so big. Man, blessings.
1, 2,
How many cars?
4, 5, 6. You can put about 15. You can put about 12 to 15 cars there, can't you?
Oh, more than that. So I'm thinking whenever I need to squeeze cars in,
Oh yeah, because all this space
take
over there.
advantage.
Yeah.
I can put the cars on an angle like that.
Yeah.
And then in the middle, I can put another like 4. Do the same thing there. And then here we can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, another 6. So we can do 1, 2, 3, 5 there, 6, 7, 8, 9, 18. Safe.
Wow. Y'all, this is what consistency looked like when you just work hard, grind. Jay was working on this all alone behind the scenes.
Yeah, it was on the download for a bit or so, made it official, and then
Yeah.
even after I signed the lease, 4 or 5 months,
Right.
moved in.
I'm very happy for you. Are you gonna do a grand opening?
For sure.
Hey y'all heard that. We gotta come and show Jay some love.
Oh yeah, you
Grand opening.
You asked my deals about those.
Grand
That's my
opening,
deals
you
about
have a
that.
bunch of food, car meat, no business talk, nothing. Just everybody come by.
Now wait a minute. Now you know people gonna ask you. So Jay, can I talk to you about this rap? Look, don't be trying to sneak.
Go from 9 to 5.
Maybe he'll have his help here. You know,
Yeah,
maybe
I'll have my guys here.
his guys will be here. Maybe you can go talk to the guys, but we gonna give him a break. Like, don't bother him.
Probably in a month or so.
Like I told y'all, I'll talk to Jay. I'll be dropping the car off soon. We're just gonna play around with it. Worst case scenario, if I feel like Jay's idea was better to keep the black, then I'm gonna come back and pout to say, Jay, can you put it back on? We're just gonna do that.
That's the beauty of mine.
Right.
Permanent.
So we'll just try some things. You just never know until you try it out. Every time you come here, you're gonna get good service.
They going on my channel. I'm telling you right now.
Him and I can put your car on his channel. Look at this car right here. You know, you're gonna get that from him. If y'all notice this right here on my car, this is coming from some type of rubber, but I don't know what exactly. I don't know. So hopefully we can get this off. Should come off real easily. Look, even right here, what is this? How am I getting this on my car?
Oh yeah, show him that on the back.
He says rubber.
Rubber from where?
I don't know. Jay says all of this is rubber.
Something is rubbing on it. Something with rubber on his rubber. It'll come off.
It's rubber. Okay, so at least it'll come out. I don't know what I'm doing. What am I rubbing up against with rubber?
Yeah, it's something.
Right here too. Somebody's vandalizing my car.
Or scuff it up a bit.
But I don't know what it is. That's the crazy part about it.
Yeah, look, it's all the way back there.
That's why I was like, could it have been? Don't they have like some rubber things on the car wash thing?
There's no way that car wash should have been out of business a long time ago if it's doing this much damage.
I don't know.
Oh, it's all the way back here.
Yeah, I don't know what that could be.
Is there?
It's definitely. So he's saying it's definitely rubber.
I don't know how something would go all the way around.
I mean, I'm not rubbing up against anything.
No. I mean, even if it were, it's not. It's weird for it to scuff it up and
It's
not
been
really
on here
dent
for.
it.
It's been on here for a while though.
So
It's
maybe
more.
some of these
Yeah, I don't know where
like-
that's coming from.
little like
Look.
wipes, kind of.
Okay.
Take off almost anything. Just
That's
go ahead and
weird.
Take it all off, and if it comes back, you know there's something that you're doing that's causing it.
Okay. Hey, he said he gonna ask the dude about the.
All right, gang. I'm excited. So we'll be dropping this car off
Gave your IG, so
next
should be good
week.
for mine.
Oh, I love this. Maybe I need some more of this on it. We're gonna add some more designs. We're gonna make it all crazy, like, okay. Thank you guys for watching this video. Thank y'all for rocking with Hemi White 44. We got some dope things coming to the channel. We can only go up from here, so y'all just keep it locked with Hemi White 44.